Luxury packaging, wedding invites, branded notebooks. Hot foil stamping adds that premium shine. And this automatic hot foil stamping machine makes it easy to stand out. It presses metallic foil onto paper or leather with precision and speed, creating elegant, eye-catching designs. Costs about $1,800. Compact and digital, perfect for small businesses or craft studios. Big printers avoid small batches and custom jobs. But you can offer personalized, high-end finishes for brands, events, and creators. Cards, boxes, covers, you stamp it. This machine shines your way to profit. Custom caps, tees, jackets, embroidery adds that premium touch. And this mini single-head embroidery machine brings that touch in-house. It stitches logos, names, and designs onto fabric with pinpoint accuracy. No manual work, just load the file, thread it up, and watch it go. Costs around $2,000. Compact, beginner-friendly, and perfect for custom jobs or small batch orders. Big embroidery shops need bulk. But you can serve small brands, events, schools, and Etsy shoppers with fast, personalized stitching. Hats, bags, uniforms, you name it. You hoop it, this machine threads your way to profit. Wood signs, acrylic panels, custom engraving, CNC work is everywhere. And this desktop mini CNC router makes it all possible from a single table. It carves wood, plastic, and soft metals with precision, perfect for signs, decor, and custom pieces. Costs around $2,000. Compact, easy to run, and ideal for home workshops or small studios. Big shops take weeks and charge a premium. But you can offer one-off custom jobs with fast turnaround and local delivery. Etsy sellers, crafters, small brands, they're all looking for someone who can cut on demand. You design it, this machine carves it, and your business starts shaping up. Fresh pasta sells, whether it's noodles, spaghetti, or macaroni. And with this automatic pasta making machine, you can produce it all like a pro. It mixes, kneads, shapes, and cuts dough into perfect pasta, ready for packaging or cooking. No hand rolling, no mess, just non-stop production. Costs around $12,000. Built for volume, but compact enough for a small factory or commercial kitchen. Mass producers won't cater to local shops or custom orders. But you can sell to restaurants, health stores, farmers markets, even launch your own pasta brand. You bring the ingredients. This machine serves the profits, al dente. Dried fruits, herbs, veggies, even pet treats are in demand year-round. And this food dehydrator machine makes them all the easy way. It uses low heat and airflow to gently dry fruits and more, locking in flavor without additives. Multiple layers mean big batches in one go. Costs around $700. Compact, stainless steel, and perfect for home-based food businesses. Big processors go industrial. But you can offer small batch, preservative-free snacks with custom packaging. Organic shops, health-conscious customers, hikers, and even pet owners want this. You slice, this machine dries, your business stays fresh. You've seen those light, crispy rice cakes popping up at markets and health stores. This is the machine that makes them in seconds. The Korean commercial rice cake popping machine uses heat and pressure to puff rice into perfect crunchy discs. No oil, no additives. Costs around $3,000. Compact, easy to operate, and designed for show-stopping live demos or backroom production. Mass producers can't customize flavors or do small runs. But you can. Add spices, seeds, or drizzle them with chocolate. Create your own snack line. Health shops, gyms, cafes, they all want unique, guilt-free snacks. You pop, you pack, you profit. Hard candy never goes out of style, colorful, nostalgic, and easy to sell. And this fully automatic candy-making machine brings the whole process under your roof. It boils, shapes, cuts, and cools hard candy with precision, ready to wrap and sell. From classic lollipops to fruit drops, it does it all. Costs around $3,800. Compact and efficient. Ideal for small factories or home-based candy brands. Big candy companies don't do small batches. But you can. Custom flavors, colors, and shapes for events, gift shops, and niche markets. You cook, this machine candies, and your business turns sweet fast. Granola bars, cereal snacks, everyone's grabbing them on the go. And this granola bar making machine lets you jump into that booming market. It mixes, presses, and cuts bars with consistent shape and texture, ready to package and sell. Costs about $6,800. Compact and easy to operate, perfect for small production runs or startups. Big brands want bulk orders and long contracts. But you can create custom flavors, healthy mixes, and limited editions for local stores or online customers. Fitness fans, schools, cafes, they all want fresh, tasty bars. You mix, this machine molds. Your business snacks to success. Potato chips are everywhere, from local shops to global chains. And with this fully automatic potato chips production line, you can start frying up profits at scale. It washes, peels, slices, fries, and seasons potatoes, turning raw spuds into crispy golden chips. All automatic, all ready to bag. Costs around $22,000. Built for real production, yet compact enough to start your own brand. Big snack companies dominate supermarkets. But you can serve local stores, events, and even launch your own artisanal chip label. You bring the potatoes, this machine brings the crunch, and your snack empire begins. Everyone loves ice cream, but it's the cone that seals the deal. And with this ice cream cone maker, you can produce fresh, crispy cones all day long. It bakes mini flat-bottomed cookie cones with consistent shape, texture, and flavor, perfect for dessert shops and ice cream stands. Costs around $800. Automatic, reliable, and compact enough to fit in a small kitchen or dessert business. Big factories sell plain bulk cones. But you can offer fresh, flavored, or even custom cones on demand. Cafes, gelato shops, and event caterers will love the upgrade. You pour, this machine bakes, and your cone business scoops up the profits. At Money Making Machines, we don't just talk. We show you real machines that print profits. Ready for the next one? Click the video on your screen and discover your next business idea.